and worship Jesus in every way and be all He created me to be for His glory. More than anything, I just really want others to see and experience Jesus whenever they're around me, wherever I go. More than anything, I love and adore Him and choose to live my life for Him. Emily will be singing an original that she wrote, which is called The Sound of Victory.
All right, so I don't have music. This is an original song. So if you guys could just kind of clap. And when I point, if you guys want to say in Jesus' name to kind of do it along with me, feel free. So I hear the sound of victory. I know your voice and I am free. Don't have to know what comes next. You're everywhere I go. Eyes on my prize, feet on the ground. I have a voice, release your sound. I'm living now just for you. You're teaching me how. We wanna go where you're going. We wanna do what you do. Forever we are living eternally for you. You're building your kingdom. You handed us your keys. So we are advancing, proclaiming your victory in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. We're going forth in Jesus' name. Got things to hear and things to say, but not on my own, so have your way. Bring out of me what you've hidden away for all to see. Lion of Judah, you arise. You know what you're doing, you give us your eyes. We need you, we're crying out. Come, break through. We're gonna go where you're going. We're gonna do what you do. Forever we are living eternally for you. You're building your kingdom. You handed us your keys. So we are advancing, proclaiming your victory in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. We're going forth in Jesus' name. Thank you.